Hello and welcome. To begin with, here are the learning objectives of today's video. In this video, we will be exploring whale manipulation and price fluctuations in the cryptocurrency space. As always, I'm a cryptocurrency and digital assets investor. I am not a financial advisor. Please seek independent financial advice from a professional to tailor your investment strategy to your investment goals. Due to the fragility of the cryptocurrency market, it is more susceptible to whale manipulation than other markets, such as the stock market and the real estate market. This is due to its relatively low market cap. To put this in perspective, here are some of the more typical investments made by both retail investors and whales and their market capitalizations. The stock market cap is $69 trillion. The bond market cap is $40 trillion. The real estate market cap is $217 trillion. The amount of cash in the world is $80 trillion, and the cryptocurrency market cap is a mere $287 billion. As you can see, the market capitalizations of the more common investments far outweigh the cryptocurrency market cap. Therefore, cryptocurrencies and digital assets have a high volatility that whales can use to their advantage for capital gain. A few $100 million is all that is required to manipulate the prices of certain cryptocurrencies, which has a domino effect on the market in its entirety. Price suppression of individual cryptocurrencies may also be a factor of market manipulation. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, will encourage investors to buy and sell depending on their emotions, not considering all factors required to make an intelligent decision. This will begin to change due to the implementation of rules and regulations governing the cryptocurrency space. Digital assets with a real-world use case will begin to be bought by retail investors. I believe we will have a bull run purely based on speculation before we have a bull run based on utility. One day, the top digital assets will rise while the others fall. I would like to leave you now with this message from Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple.
Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, he joins us right now. And you know, David, some say Ripple could be the next Bitcoin. What do you think, Brad? Is that a compliment that Ripple could be the next Bitcoin?
Well, I think if we're solving a real problem and it's at scale, then I think it's a compliment. I think the most important thing that is going on in crypto is understanding what is real and what is just hype. Some, I think, may look back on Bitcoin and find that it was the Napster of digital assets. What I mean by that is Napster was the first to digitize music and demonstrate, hey, if you digitize music, you can do a lot of cool things with that. But ultimately, they were circumventing trademark laws, they were circumventing royalty payments, and government stepped in, and Napster was not successful. But Spotify, iTunes, Pandora, they were very successful. I think what you'll find is that maybe the next generation of digital assets ends up solving some of the original problems that Bitcoin set out to solve.